All of the Toolkit products have program preferences that can be changed. Use the View Preferences command to access these settings. Here you may change units of measurements to millimeters or inches. You may also select a different background color by clicking on the Paint Chip button. A palette of basic and custom colors has been pre-set up for you. Click on the Define Custom Colors button to open the color selection rainbow. Click anywhere within the rainbow and use the saturation bar to adjust the intensity of the color. From the Preferences dialog, you can also turn on and off the grid. Set the spacing by typing in a number. If you just want a crosshair through the center of the hoop, use a number larger than your hoop size, such as 15 inches or 800 millimeters. Change the color of the grid by clicking on this paint chip and selecting a color. Click OK to update your workspace. You may quickly turn on or off the grid by going to the View Grid menu and checking or unchecking the Show Grid option.